The storm is loud, but I'm alive, chasing hope in the night sky. Heavy is the weight up there, shadows whisper everywhere. Lost in thoughts I can't escape, dreaming of a brighter place. But the rain falls, washing me clean, a rhythm for my broken dreams. Through the thunder I hear a beat, it's the sound of my soul on repeat. I'm dancing in the rain, wiping out my tears, spinning through the pain, drowning out my fears. Every drop's a promise, every step's a prayer. Better days are coming, I can feel them near. The streets shine with neon light, a canvas for my fight tonight. Barefoot in the pouring rain, every move I break the chains. Though my heart feels bruised and torn, I find strength in this storm. Let the lightning guide my way, through the dark I'll find the day. I'm dancing in the rain, wiping out my tears, spinning through the pain, drowning out my fears. Every drop's a promise, every step's a prayer. Better days are coming, I can feel them near. Let the rain fall, let it heal my soul. I'm not broken, just learning to grow. Through the chaos, I find my sound, lost in the rhythm I'm finally found. I'm dancing in the rain, wiping out my tears, spinning through the pain, drowning out my fears. Every drop's a promise, every step's a prayer. Better days are coming, I can feel them near. Let it heal my soul. I'm not broken, just learning to grow. Through the chaos, I find my sound, lost in the rhythm I'm finally found.